to my channel Gyan Data Harnik with his mom.
Harnik, let's read a storybook today.
Yes, Mama.
Are you excited?
Yes, Mama.
So let's start. What's the name of the story?
Grandma's garden.
Oh,
Grandma has the best garden. It is always so colorful. Sometimes she lets me plant new seeds. We dig little holes and put in a few seeds. Every day my job is to water the plants. Not too much and not too little. Grandma has a lot of flowers in her garden.
which flower is this?
Rose.
Which flower is this?
Jasmine.
And which flower is this?
Marigold. Bright red roses. Shiny white jasmines. And golden yellow marigolds. The garden also has lot of vegetables.
Which vegetable is this?
Tomato.
Which vegetable is this?
Okra.
And which vegetable is this?
Eggplant.
Eggplant is also known as brinjal.
Brinjal. Round, squishy, red tomato. Long, fuzzy, green okra. Sometimes purple eggplants too. It is always great fun in Grandma's garden. When it is time for me to leave, she gives me a big basket full of fresh veggies. Thank you.